longer I spent in Greece, the more opportunities we found.
Relatively run-down building, which can be erected.
Oh, great. Okay, so here's where I've got a big block of, hang on. I've got a big block of land, and I've got a little house. We tear the house down, we'll put 4 villas in. I do a JV with a developer, is that right?
JV with a developer. Yeah.
Okay, we split the profit.
In 2010, the Greek economy collapsed and their house prices, they dropped from 30 to 60% depending on the area and the region. And today, only 11% of Greeks can actually qualify to get a bank loan. Now, the market has stabilised as the foreign money is starting to move back in, but we can still buy properties in Greece today for less money than what it actually costs to build them. How crazy is that? So, imagine if you could buy into the Greek property market today without using a lot of your hard-earned cash, being liable for a lot of third-party debt, or having it tie up a lot of your precious time. I could stand here and tell you, but it's probably just so much better if I show you.
I was pleasantly surprised at the growing sense of optimism and the general state of many parts of the country, which you wouldn't know from the international news. As with other countries, before I could buy, I had to get a handle on the Greek economy, have an understanding of the culture, as well as the research required to put in place the methods and processes that were going to fit in alignment with the present legal systems and protocols. I caught up with my guy on the ground, Christos, to get a thorough understanding of today's Greece property market.
Okay, we're going to go and see some lawyers in Greece and see if we can figure out how to buy a house with no money. Hey, mate.
Tomorrow we'll have seen 3 solicitors, so you pick the one you like.
I actually think what's going to happen is everything I want to do, they actually do here, they just call it something different. We're just going to have to figure out what it's called here. I smell the energy of success, the rising market. Let me tell you something, by the time the media gets there, it's already happened, right? Yeah. Everything in life, by the time the media tells people to get into something, whatever they should have got into, they should have already gotten into because they've already missed the boat.
Yeah.
Once we had the network in place, it was time to get some properties from what seemed to be an endless stream of motivated sellers. Now, this is the Athens Riviera and probably has the best opportunity for us. It's amazing how much property prices have dropped.
A drop of 30-40%.
But the other area experienced 60%?
Other areas experience 60%. Well, the good areas.
Yeah, but this is a good area.
It's a good area.
Yeah. But these places will always be the in places.
Yeah,
so when your market comes back, this stuff will just take off.
Because of where the economy is now, we needed to float some fresh ideas past the local agents. One of the agents we met was Calipay, an agent who's been in the game for over 20 years.
The crash was about, what, 5-6 years ago, the property crash? Has it bottomed out yet?
Just wake up, not start picking up. Just wake up.
Waking up. Oh, time to get back in the game, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So let me ask you something.
Because of the foreigners.
Because of the foreigners?
The foreigners that they start to big and to
invest.
Oh yeah, the locals won't, but the foreigners will come in and they'll see the opportunity. With the crash, what percentage in value do you think the better quality properties have dropped by?
40%.
40%. If I can buy for a 40% discount, no one can get a bank loan. Is that correct?
Yes.
If I got you to resell them and I told you that everybody gets a bank loan, would it be easier for you to sell them?
Oh, yes.
Great. Now, let me ask you something. If I get you to sell them, would you be able to sell them at the full retail price if everybody gets the bank loan?
Yes.
Great. Therefore, can I buy them at the wholesale price, give them back to you, and you sell them at the retail price, and everybody gets a bank loan?
Wow.
Can you do that?
Yes. Like,
okay.
Yeah.
Like,
great. Fine. Okay. I feel like buying a property before lunch.
I saw the same thing unfold in the US during the savings and loans crisis between the late 80s and the early 90s.
Put an ad in the paper before we even close. We've got a buyer for $14,000, so he's making $5,000 without putting any money up front at all.
Back then, we had to develop the methods to purchase properties that weren't reliant on failed financial institutions who could no longer offer bank loans. Greece is in a similar position, and by modifying our methods, it's working here.
We're going to see Mr. Nikolopoulos.
Over the next few days, Christos and I saw many properties, some of them very inexpensive, but years of experience taught me it's not about buying cheap, it's about buying profitably. The sellers saw the advantage of being able to exit the market quickly, and within a few days we had 5 transactions in play.